What's up, drop services? The drop servicing business model is simple, but how do you actually sell your services? How do you get sales, get more sales, and continue to increase your sales success? Well, it all starts with understanding why people buy. Why are people going to buy your service over another company's service? Is it about the price? Is it about the speed of return? In this video, you're going to learn what people care about when deciding between services and how you can get more positive responses with your outreach. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what makes a customer desire your service, and by understanding the fundamental reasons why people buy, you'll be able to create an irresistible offer around these factors, helping you sell more and scale your business. And as we go through the video, comment below with any questions that come up at all, and I'll personally answer your questions in an upcoming video. If you're watching this video, you already know how awesome drop servicing is. And you'll know that while there is a lot of demand for services, there's also a lot of competition. So what is it about your offer that stands out? How do you stand out from the competition and get more sales for your drop servicing business? The first reason people buy is because of the prices you're offering, right? Believe it or not, price is one of the primary factors determining a buyer's decision. If you lower your price to one of the lowest in the marketplace while ensuring quality remains high, this may help initially with increasing sales of your service. Why? Because everyone has a budget. Yep, even the founders, CEOs, and executives you're selling to. That said, competing purely on price can be the wrong growth mindset to have. What you want to do is offer your clients incredible value at an amazing price, and then you're going to be on the way to winning new clients every time. Competing on price ends up a race to the bottom. So while it's tempting to drop your price, look at adding value before you take money off the table. The second reason people buy is because of quality, right? People want great services. They want to get the job done right the first time. Think about things from your perspective. Who do you buy from? Who do you want to buy from? You want to buy from the companies you can get the best quality based on your budget. And everyone's willing to pay a little extra for a high quality service. That makes things easy for them, saves money, and solves their business needs. Drop servicing gives you the best of both worlds, right? You can customize your offering to cover both price and quality. If you're offering animated videos, for example, you could have 3 tiers of quality with 3 price tiers. Drop servicing enables you to effortlessly differentiate your services because you can build the systems and teams to provide all tiers of the services, from your cheapest option to the most expensive. Then the third reason clients buy from you is convenience. Amazon to Uber Eats. Convenience is probably the biggest driver of B2B sales, just like it is for consumers. If you can provide a simple done-for-you service where the client can mentally remove themselves from the equation, you've just become the Uber Eats of drop servicing. Businesses pay for convenience. Why? Because making animated sales videos, websites, pitch decks, or compliance documents isn't their core business, it's yours. If you can provide the convenience of done-for-you services with quick, efficient, high-quality delivery, you'll be the service that stands out from the market compared to your traditional outsourcing or your competitors. The fourth reason people buy from you is a personalized experience. This is probably the easiest to nail. How hard is it to be interested in who you're doing business with, right? Well, you'd be surprised. I know there are competitors out there still sending large, bulk email that doesn't even use a first name, and to be honest, that sucks. It's not good enough, and it won't cut in your successful drop servicing company. What your goal needs to be is this: present your offers in a way that makes them highly personalized for the target audience you're selling to. This is why it's so important to understand exactly who your ideal customer is. The best way to do this is to ask yourself this one simple question: who would wake up, read your email, and be stoked you sent it to them? Nail that one aspect of personalization, and you're going to be winning more clients than ever. The fifth reason people buy is that they know what they're in for. What do I mean? I mean, drop servicing isn't about reinventing the wheel or creating the next big thing. Pick a well-known service that's proven to work, has a high demand, and ideally lacks significant competition. By all means, tweak your offer, innovate with packages and value adds, but base the foundation of your business on what your successful competitors are doing. This makes it easy for your clients to understand what it is you're offering and gets those "I need a job done" emails hitting your inbox. The sixth reason people buy is urgency. Perhaps you've experienced this before, right? Have you ever sent an email to a potential client, gotten a positive response, and heard something like, "Hey, sounds great, but we don't need this right now. Can you send us an email in 3 months, in 10 years? You want to follow up? And this is key to onboarding new clients and generating recurring revenue. But one potential reason why these people aren't interested in your service now instead of 3 months or 10 years in the future is there's no sense of urgency. So what can you do in a situation like this? You need to create urgency, or FOMO, fear of missing out, to put it another way. Maybe it's an exclusive limited time offer on price, maybe it's a limited time quality upgrade or free add-ons for this week only. You have to give people a bit of a push, otherwise they won't act, because you haven't given them a reason they should. The seventh reason people buy is because you're creating desire. People don't buy what they need, they buy what they want. They want the best web design possible, they want a great logo, they want the best article on their website. They don't necessarily need it, but they want it, and because they want it, they can be sold it. A business doesn't necessarily need an animated video explaining their business because they may be successful without it, but if it can help them grow, make their website look cooler, or keep up with competitors, then you're on your way to creating desire. So how do you create that desire for other businesses? You're not selling designer kicks after all. Usually for services, you'll do this with an irresistible and compelling offer. The offer should be a no-brainer for them. You can create this desire by tapping into existing desires and wants they already have to take their business forward. The eighth reason people buy is that they trust you. Trust is a biggie when it comes to drop servicing businesses. All good business relationships start and are established with a level of trust. Would you trust the sender of a random cold email if you can present credibility, past work examples, testimonials of previous clients? It's going to be far easier to create the trust and desire necessary for someone to be interested in purchasing your service. So the ninth and last reason someone won't buy is because of their past failure. Sometimes a client lacks trust in their own decisions because they've had a negative experience before and fear wasting company time and money again. So they're thinking, hey, this is exactly what happened last time with those Google SEO guys. These guys never give up. Last time I wasted time and money on a service that didn't deliver. What's going to be different this time? Well, in your marketing, in your message, and in the overall package that you offer as a service, you need to address this potential fear. So take a look back at all the reasons people don't buy, like no need, no desire, no urgency, no personalization, cost, and convenience. Make sure that the package you offer takes all of these points into account so that you can make the person on the receiving end gain more trust in their future decision making and opt to go with you as their trusted business partner. So that's the video. Hopefully today you learned something you can actually implement in your business. And once again, like, subscribe, notification bell, and comment below with any questions that you have. Until next time.